We all have been there, freaking bored at home. I went home for my summer vacations and started getting super duper bored laying on a bed, looking for food, trying to study, scrolling through Instagram, and again laying on bed like a sloth bear. And then I got this thought, I need a glow up. Okay, so the first step in this glow up is skincare. As I said, first step is doing skincare. Don't worry you guys, we are not going to use any high-end mask or other skincare products. We are going to use a very traditional face mask जो कि काफ़ी पुराने ज़माने से चलते आ रहा है. And you know what I'm talking about. Some besan, एक चुटकी हल्दी and some raw milk. And you can add honey as well if you have it available, and that's it. Just mix everything together and apply a thick layer on your face. Okay, so I just washed off my mask and my skin definitely looks glowing and I really like it. Now we are gonna get a hair color. Yeah, you heard it right. In my life, I have never really done a hair color on my hair ever. So this is going to be my first time getting a hair treatment kind of done. So yeah, I am really excited. Right now, I'm just gonna go get ready and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. So let's go.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone and that includes you.
So I went to the salon and I discussed with the hairstylist about what color I want and how much highlights I wanted and everything about it. While he was doing my hair color, he was also teaching his students as well. So yeah, not at all awkward, right? Firstly, they started with a hair wash because I really needed that at the time. This was my first time getting a hair color. My experience was not that bad at all, but the only thing I don't like about the whole process is that people are constantly touching my hair. I mean, no offense, but I have this thing that I don't like people touching my face or hair. But yeah, your girl did pull through the whole process, so yep. After the hair wash, he started sectioning my hair for a lightening treatment. If you all don't know, through the whole process of coloring your hair, the thing which damages your hair the most is bleach. So I did not wanted that, but he used a pre-lightening treatment which does the job of bleach of course, but with less damage. So after this, I waited for quite a while and went again for a hair wash. After that, I panicked so bad. I was so fucking scared after looking at myself because dude, I was looking really weird and I thought for a second that shit, this was a mistake and what if I look like this and the color is too light and stuff. Also, my sister was constantly teasing me about the same, like what if this stays like that and you look so horrible and all that shit. But then the hairstylist explained me and asked me to trust him, so I kept my calm and then the whole process of actual coloring started. For all those who are curious, the color I went for was the shade number 7.82 by Matrix Professional. I will leave all the details about the hair color and the salon I went to in the description box so you guys can check it out. So you have to wait for so long. Literally my bum started hurting because I was sitting on the chair for almost 6 hours for this and 1 hour for styling my hair at the end. But overall the experience was really good. I'm not showing you guys the final color now. Wait till the end of this video. We are gonna do a proper reveal. So let's just move on to the next step. Hi guys, so when I started filming this video I was at home and now I'm back at hostel and after 2 to 3 days of the hair color, I came back to hostel and I totally forgot about this video, and my exams started, and then it was a total mess. I got involved with other stuff. So I am gonna continue this video now. You can already see the hair color peeking through, but I'm not gonna show it to you guys right now because I'm gonna save it for the grand reveal. So right now we are going to decide our outfit. I have already placed an order for new clothes. I will put the clothes right here, and I'm gonna see if they come on time. I'm gonna use them, or else I'm gonna work with what I have. So yeah, that's about it. Let's just move on to the next step. Okay, so everybody knows how important smelling good for your personality is, and we are not gonna forget about the perfume, right? So I have a perfume from the brand called Amor Soul, and I have the Femme one, and this smells so luxurious, you guys. I mean, I have been using this perfume for like almost about a month now, and this smells like, I usually don't enjoy fragrances that much. I start sneezing if the smell is too strong, but this doesn't do that with me. I mean, it is a very light sort of a scent. I mean, I really like this one. People who are like me, who like light scents, they are gonna love this perfume, by the way. And also, I totally love their packaging. They package it so well. I mean, I also posted a story about this perfume on Instagram, and people were like, oh my god, that looks expensive. But trust me guys, it's not that expensive. I mean, you won't find like this much good looking perfume packaged so well and smells so luxurious at this price. And also, obviously, I have a coupon code for you guys that you can use, and you'll get a pretty good discount on their website. The coupon code is Danashwari15, and you can use this coupon code on their website and you'll get a really nice discount. So yeah, that's about it. Let's just move on to the next step. So we are doing nails now. I initially wanted to get my nails done from outside, but then I came back to hostel and I thought my natural nails do look good and strong. So I did my nails by myself, and I really like this color because it was matching with my outfit. So yeah, I think they look pretty. Okay, so for the outfit, I'm choosing this top. Top I ordered did not came on time, so yeah, I am going to work with what I have. But the pants did came, so these are the white pants that I ordered, and they are really beautiful at such affordable price. Okay, so this is the outfit, you guys. I mean, it looks good. I like it. But I wish कि वो top time पे आ जाता, because that color combination would have looked like. But we are gonna work with what we have. So yeah, this is what I have, and it looks nice and I like it. And also, please don't mind the mess behind me because it's the hostel room. So I'm gonna do my makeup quickly, and then we are gonna do the final reveal. Okay, let's start with the makeup. And I don't think I have ever showed you guys how I do my makeup, because I don't do that much. I mean, I don't know about makeup I do know about makeup, but I don't have the skills to do it. So that's it. So we are going to start now. Okay, so for a change today, I'm going to do my base a little bit. So I have already prepped my skin and I am already sweating. Okay.
कर लो पहले बड़े लोग हैं, पहले ऐसे करते होंगे.
इधर रखा यार. I am not finding my brush, so ऐसे ही हम ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर से ब्लश लगाने वाले हैं. It's not that pigmented. It's by Blue Heaven, I guess, and it has color in it, but it's more like a shimmery sort of a blush. Also, I wore my piercing after a really long time, you guys. Since we are going over the board today, I'm going to do this blue eyeliner, and it's going to match with my outfit. I'm not clearly, but yeah, we are gonna try and match this. So
moments later.
Since I have a lipstick on already, okay, I'm sweating. I'm just gonna apply this pink maroonish shade on top of it and then apply a gloss. Okay, that looks gorgeous. Of course, we are not going to forget about the perfume, so yeah. So what do you guys think about my makeup though? After correcting the eyeliner 1,000 times, it still does not look even, and I don't like that. I like how my lips look and how the base in general looks, but the eyes, I am not a big fan of it, so I'm gonna remove the eyeliner and then go up for the pictures. But yeah, this is how my nails look, and I think they look really pretty. I really like them. So also, please comment down below, you guys, which Dhaneshwari do you like better, like the before glow up one or the after glow up one. And here is the final reveal.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you...
Everybody says, who does he think he is? I just told you who I thought I was. A god!
I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon.